1. Roblox pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're diving into the Roblox world, 1 Roblox might sound like a simple purchase, but most people get this wrong by confusing free promotions with legitimate paid options. The surprising truth is that virtual currency, known as Robux, has fixed rates, and different platforms may offer different bundles or perks. Robux prices start around 99 for 400 Robux and scale up to 99 for larger bundles, sometimes including bonus Robux or membership perks. Roblox premium subscriptions, starting at 95 per month, provide a monthly Robux stipend and additional in-game benefits. Third-party sites offering free Robux are often scams and should be avoided. What you get: official Robux for in-game purchases, avatar customization, and access to premium games. What you give up: paying real money, but this ensures secure transactions and avoids account risks. Beware of sites claiming free Robux, which can compromise your account. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Purchase Robux directly from Roblox or trusted partners. Step 2. Compare bundles to see which offers the best bonus. Step 3. Decide if Roblox Premium adds value with monthly allowances. Step 4. Avoid any site that asks for personal info or claims free currency. You won't believe what happens next if you fall for scams, account suspension, personal data theft, or loss of Robux. The surprising truth is that spending a little money wisely keeps your Roblox experience safe, fun, and fully accessible. In conclusion, official Roblox purchases are straightforward and reliable. Understanding bundles, subscriptions, and avoiding scams ensures your money translates into real value and enjoyment in game.